Hello and welcome back. If this is the first time we meet, my name is Roman, and in today's 3-minute review we are looking at Raven's original scanner. Recently I got my hands on Epson RR600W, Fujitsu ScanSnap IX1600 and Raven original scanners to compare them against each other and rule out the ultimate solution for you. Please do consider hitting thumbs up, subscribe and bell icon to be notified when this full review is released. First, let's look at the pros. This is probably the only scanner I've seen with such a massive display, and it's here for a reason. Raven positions this scanner as a standalone solution, meaning no computer required. Entire setup and future operations are done from this screen. Practically, it's an Android tablet attached to a scanner. You even have this gesture Raven to cheer you up every time you look at the screen. A Raven original scanner is able to convert any document into a readable PDF file thanks to built-in OCR. Even crappy handwriting is easily recognized by this scanner, and I haven't seen anything like this in this price range. Built-in AI is even able to delete punch holes from the paper and straighten uneven sides. Scan quality is top-notch. With up to 600 dpi resolution, all images come out crisp and colorful. All Raven scanners come with unlimited and free cloud storage solution, accessible from anywhere in the world. Moreover, you are able to add users and assign roles for anyone using your cloud account. Alternatively, you can always scan straight to a USB thumb drive, as you have two USB-A ports at the back. Now let's look at cons and potential issues you may face with this scanner. And I want to start with the size. It takes so much space that it's double the size of its competitor. This could be an issue for a small office space. Quality of internal components. They look cheap when compared to Epson or Fujitsu. And if I was choosing a scanner only by looking at this comparison, Raven would not be my first choice. Now back to the job it's made for. Scanning. And yes, we have issues with scanning as well. This scanner is not great with long receipts, as it can handle only about 1.5 of A4 page length before it gives you an error. Same issue exists with tiny receipts as well. Most of the time it doesn't see them and you have to position it in a specific direction to fire it up. More on it in a full video, so make sure you are subscribed to be notified when it's out. Now, do you wonder how this scanner is able to do such a great job converting PDFs into readable format and even transcript your handwriting? Well, let me disappoint you a little. To operate, this scanner requires 24/7 connection to internet. Without it, it will not even boot up properly. As a result, all of your data is being processed somewhere at Raven's cloud, even if you are scanning to a thumb drive directly. Though Raven claims they protect server facilities with their lives, honestly speaking, it's just a matter of time before someone hacks it. And even if you don't store your documents at Raven's cloud, they still can be intercepted while being processed. Back to Raven's promise, they state all data stored in the cloud is only accessible by yourself and they will never share or sell your data to anyone. Maybe, but who knows when this will change. Running server facilities is far from cheap. Look at recent Google Stadia news. They shut down the project, refunded every single digital and physical purchase to their users, and I guess that was cheaper than continue running it. So do the math, and if you work with sensitive data, I would look at alternatives with localized processing power. Something that Epson and Fujitsu can offer. It's been 3 minutes. What do you think so far? Let me know in the comments if you would trust your sensitive data to Raven and if I am exaggerating. Do consider hitting thumbs up, subscribe and bell icon to be notified when the full review is out so you don't miss it. On this note, I'll see you in my next video. So it's auto detect, color, highest quality, 600 dpi, OCR enabled, and we're gonna scan it to Raven Cloud. Okay, so we have preview. We see both pages. Now we're ready to upload. Done.